Hello everyone, today we're unpacking some significant updates from the National Association of Realtors, NAR. Changes that could reshape the buying process for many of you, especially here in Lakeview, Chicago, the Chicagoland, and the suburbs. Let's break it down, these new guidelines and the recent lawsuit that prompt them. Hello, my name is Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate agent expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and we also serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Recently, NAR faced a major lawsuit alleging anti-competitive practices, specifically around listing services and commission structures. This lawsuit argued that the existing rules were unfairly inflating costs for buyers and limiting their choices. In response, and the settlement and the dispute, NAR has rolled out new guidelines designed to foster greater competition and transparency in the real estate market. So, the key among these changes is the requirement for greater disclosures about commissions. Agents must now clearly disclose how much they are paid by the seller, ensuring buyers understanding the financial dynamics of the play. Additionally, there's a lot of ban on the practice of filtering out these listings based on the commission offered to the buyer's agent. This means as a buyer, you'll see more listings even though offering lower commissions, which could previously have been hidden from you in the past. So these changes are designed to empower you, the buyers, with more transparency and a wider selection of properties. You're in a better position to make informed decisions. With these new guidelines, buyers could be responsible to pay their agent. The commission fee could reflect based on what the seller is willing to contribute to the buyer's agent. For example, the seller could decide to pay a full commission of 3%, 2.5%, 2%, or 1%, or nothing. Therefore, the buyer will compensate their agent the difference of what the seller is paying for the entire commission. It's very important to know this information before going into contract. You will need to be prepared financially for this extra cost that wasn't there before. This new rule will take in effect in July of 2024. Stay informed and stay ahead of your home buying journey. For more insights and updates, don't forget to follow and engage with our content. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding this topic, call me 773-550-4846. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker.